This tutorial is how to log on to Bridges and get information for your engineering career brochure in the 6th grade Gateway to Technology class. To get on the Bridges, the first thing you want to do is click on Secondary Network Tools, which is located on your desktop. Once that opens up, you're going to go down to Library Websites, and then you'll have a bunch of options to choose from. Our first option is Bridges Career Site. Once that opens, you're going to notice that the site ID is highlighted. Unfortunately, we do not use that. We're going to go into Portfolio Name, which is our login screen. Our portfolio name is WSJHLIB. Notice that all those letters are lowercase. Again, WSJHLIB. Our password is the word Bulldog with a capital B. Again, it's Bulldog, capital BULLDOG. Once that is all typed in, click the little green arrow, and I'll take you into your Choices Explorers page. You want to click on Choices Explorer, and you'll also see there is a search you can use in the top right-hand corner. So click on there and type in Engineer. That is ENGINEER. Once that's typed in, you hit Go. You'll notice that there's a bunch of options that you can choose from acoustical engineer to athletic shoe designer, architect, architectural engineer, agricultural engineer, all these different items. Now remember, we're doing our brochure on engineering positions, so I'm sorry, but athletic shoe designer will not be accepted, or will architect. But architectural engineer is a great opportunity to get some information on how to be an architectural engineer. You'll see that there are different pictures. Blue people with a blue background, and a piece of paper rolled up with a purple piece of ribbon. The ones that are blue people are the ones you want to pick. They have the most information for your category. So I'm going to click on Aerospace Engineer, and you'll see that there's a bunch of different tabs on the side. These tabs will help you with your information. The first one is what they do. This will be a great opportunity to find out the responsibilities of what an aerospace engineer does. And in your rubric, one of the responsibilities is one of your main parts of your brochure. Notice the next one is Salary and Outlook. Salary gives you a basis of how much they make in a year and also in an hour. Annual means yearly. Also, your outlook is listed in here as a graph as well. Outlook is stable. The workforce in 2008 was 71,610, and the growth rate is at 10.38%, which is stable for the U.S. The next tab is Education. This will show you what kind of schooling you need to get this degree. It'll also tell you what things you need to do in high school to get into colleges that will have this degree. And finally, the interview section. This is an interview with an actual aerospace engineer. This could help you with finding out what they do on a daily basis with your working conditions. It could also help you with finding out what are some good and bad things about the job that you might think are advantages and disadvantages. So these tabs will help you gain a lot of information about your job. Finally, when using this program, is the best program to find most of the things you need for your rubric. If you have any questions, please let me know.